Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create high converting assets for your Performance Max campaign. I'm talking about headlines, descriptions, images, and videos that actually drive clicks and sales. Now, most people rush through this part. They treat asset creation like a checklist. But here's the truth. Google's algorithm only performs as well as the creatives you feed it. If you're just throwing in generic copy and random product shots, chances are you're wasting budget. Let's get into how to create Performance Max assets that actually sell. The first assets we need to tackle are headlines and descriptions. A great approach to writing these is to write according to themes. The first theme is to simply be descriptive. Describe what your products are. Shoppers are scanning Google search results for links to what they're looking for. If your description fits their intent, that's the best way to attract their attention. Also, try to be as specific as you can for the products that you're advertising. For example, if someone were to search for leather band for Apple Watch, the third headline would certainly appeal to them most. The next theme is about trust signals. These can be claims that you can substantiate, such as being the leading brand in the industry. Or you can highlight how long you've been in business or how many customers you've served. The aim is that you give someone a reason to believe that you're trustworthy. No one buys from a store that they don't trust, and gaining trust can start here from these assets. The next theme is urgency. Headlines usually best use this to convey that action must be taken soon or that people will miss out. Headlines based on price or value is the next theme. Shoppers often want price info when they search, and everyone loves a good bargain. The next theme has to do with location. Location matters, even on the internet. Shoppers might worry about shipping costs. They might want to support local businesses or be motivated by national pride. Adding these can provide a strong boost to your ad's performance. The next theme is about features. These can either be a convenience for the shopper or a product call-out. Finally, you can have the call to action theme. Call to actions are often vital signposts in a shopper's journey. Having them in ads makes sense because we're so used to them. They assist shoppers in moving on to the next step, visiting your store with as little mental strain as possible. Okay, those were some of the top themes that work best for headlines and descriptions. Let's talk about images. One of the most important things to consider when supplying images as assets for ads is, do they look good when they're small? Google offers limited space for images, so it's crucial for shoppers to grasp what they see even at smaller sizes. Make sure to add clear product photos that are isolated on a white background. These are standard product images that shoppers are used to. Lifestyle images that show people using the product are also great to use. Be sure that the product stands out even when the image is small. The final major asset to add to your PMax campaign is video. Because Google will show your video on YouTube, I recommend concentrating as much of your message in the first 5 seconds of the video as possible. People don't enjoy ads, and they'll skip them as soon as they can. The first 5 seconds are unskippable. Use this time wisely to share your unique value proposition. That's my top advice for creating great assets for your PMax campaigns. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Also guys, this video is actually part of our free Performance Max course. It shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Performance Max campaigns to over 100K and beyond. It's completely free. I'll leave a link down below. Also, if you're already generating over 20K per month in sales and you'd like my team and I to set up, scale, and optimize your Google Ads account, reach out to my team and I. I'll leave a link down below. You can book a time and we'll talk about how we can do this for your store. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.